Hello everyone. Let us discuss your paper 1. This paper is for 80 marks and this paper you have to do without calculator. Let us begin with first question. Okay, here is your first question. Write down the mathematical name of this type of angle. Now, if your angle is more than 90 and less than 180 degree, you call this as an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Second question, find the reciprocal of 0.5. Now this 0.5 can be written as 5 divided by 10. Its reciprocal is 10 divided by 5. So your reciprocal is 10 divided by 5, which you can simplify and you can say your answer as 2. Write the number 2,800,000 and 840,327. Okay, so when we have to write number in international form, okay, here it is 2 million. I will write 2. So million means after 2 I have 6 zeros. The next I have 840,000. It is 840,000. So 840. Okay, this is your thousand number, 840,000 and 327. So 327. Okay, this is how you will write your 2,840,327. Okay, fourth question, draw all the lines of symmetry on this shape. Okay, so line of symmetry means the line about which if I fold, they will overlap each other. Okay, 100% they will overlap each other. So this is one line, and the other line which I can draw is this. Now question number 5, put one pair of bracket in each statement to make it correct. Okay, so I need result as 21. Now if I take this 10 minus 4, which is 6, and if I divide this 6 by 2, I get 3. 18 plus 3 is 21. So my first bracket will be like this. Put one pair of bracket. So only one pair of bracket I need to put. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 plus 18 is 21. Now here I need my result as 30. So if I put a bracket, here, you will get result as 7 times 4, that is 28, and 28 plus 2 is 30. So you will put a bracket here. Okay, now this is a little bit of observation. Okay, by properly observing, you can figure out where you need to put the bracket. Otherwise, what you can do, you can try putting bracket at different places, and accordingly you will understand where you get the correct answer. Just a minute. Okay, now let us move to question number 6. Here is some information about 5 positive integers. The median is 7, the mode is 13, the range is 10, and they add up to 40. Okay, now your mode is 13, that means 13 will repeat maximum number of time. If I repeat 13 3 times, I get 39. Then there is possibility of only one number, so 13 cannot repeat 3 times. So the ideal situation is 13 will repeat 2 times. This is one case. Second, out of 5 numbers, your median is 7. So one thing is clear, that your 7 is somewhere here. It is at the middle position. If I write numbers in ascending order, my 7 will be here. Then as I said, 13 should repeat 2 time, at least 2 time. So 13, 13 I will write here. Now let us add 13 plus 13, 26. Okay, one more thing. As the range is 10, so highest number minus lowest number should give me result as 10. So my lowest number will be 3. Okay. Now 13 plus 13, 26. 7 plus 3, 10. So 26 plus 10 is 36. So 4 is remaining. So here the number will be 4. So 3, 4, 7, 13, 13. These are the 5 numbers. Okay, question number 7. T is equal to 2a minus 3b. Find the value of t when a is 12 and b is 5. So what I have to do, I have to replace this a with 12 and b with 5. So it is minus 3 times 5. So 2 times 12 is 24, minus 3 times 5 is 15. 24 minus 15, you will get your result as 9. Write down a common multiple of 18 and 24. Common multiple of 18 and 24. So that means you have to find out least common multiple, LCM. Write down a common multiple, or you can write any higher common multiple. Now this 18, your 18 can be written as in prime factors as 2 times 3 times 3, and this 24 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 4, and 4 6 so 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, I will say 2 times 3. Okay, now your LCM will be, you will see this is one pair and this is one pair, so you will write 2 times 3 and then whatever is remaining. So 2 times 2, 4 is remaining, times 3 is remaining. So 3 times 2, 6, 6 times 4, 24, 24 times 3, so 3 4 the 12, and 3 to the 6 plus 1, 72. Okay, so 72 is one common multiple. Like this, you can write any other higher common multiple. Now, you have to work out, here it is addition. So 6 plus 4 I will add, it will give me 10. Minus 3 minus 5 I will add, it will give me minus 8. Then here 6 times 3 minus 2. So 6 times 3 is 18 and 6 times minus 2 is minus 12. Now question number 10. X is an integer where x is greater than minus 4 and x is less than or equal to 2. Write down all the possible values of x. So x should be greater than minus 4. So the first integer value greater than minus 4 is minus 3. Then it is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. I have to write till 2 because here x is less than or equal to 2. So that 2 will also include here. The common mistake you do is you either do not write 2 or you write minus 4 as well. Now convert 600 meter into kilometer. So for converting from meter to kilometer, we divide it by 1000. So 600 divided by 1000, it will give you 0.6. So your result is 0.6 kilometer. Now convert 3 meter square into centimeter square. Now we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So your 3 meter square, so 2 times your meter is multiplying. So here 3 times 100 times 100, you will say that is 30000. Okay, so 30,000 is your answer. Now a plane flies from London to Colombo. The time in London when the plane leaves is 8:20. So it is leaving at 8:20. On Saturday, the time in Colombo when the plane arrives is 2:15 on Sunday. The flight time is 13-hour 25-minute. Okay, so 13-hour 25-minute. If I add 13-hour 25-minute, what I'll get? 13 plus 8 is 21, and 20 plus 25 is 45. So 21-hour 45-minute I will get, and this will be your Saturday only, Saturday night. Now in Colombo, you are arriving at 2:15. Okay, so in this 2:15, okay, 2:15, if I add here, if I add say 3 hours, so it will be 24:45. Then if I add 1 hour more, so if I add, say, let us start with 3 hour only. So if you add your 3 hours, you will be having 24. Now 24 means 00, I will say 00:45. Okay, this is your Sunday, and you want time as 2:15. So for 2:15 I will add extra 1 hour 30-minute. Okay, so that will give me 2 hour, here 5, and here if I add 15 it will become 1 hour, so it is 2 hours, and here the time remaining is 15. Okay, so I get time as 2:15 on Sunday. So for that I added this 1 hour 30-minute and this 3 hour, that means 4 hour 30-minute. So I will say that first question is find the time difference between London and Colombo. So here the time difference between London and Colombo is what? 4 hour 30-minute. So your answer, your time difference is your 4 hour 30-minute. State whether the time in Colombo is ahead or behind the time in London. So time in Colombo is ahead. Okay, time in Colombo is ahead than time in London. Next question. The diagram shows the shape made from two different parallelograms. The shape has a total area of 210. So now total area for a parallelogram, it is based into height. So your 15 times x plus your 15 times 4 is your 210. That is your 15 times x is your 210 minus 15 times 4 is 60, which will give you 11 minus 6 is 5, which will give you 150. So your x is 150 divided by 15. Answer is 10. Okay, so the value of x is 10. Now unit is also very important. So your x, find the value of x. Now centimeter is already written here, x is centimeter, so value of x, I will say that is 10. Okay, here I will not write unit. Now complete the table of values. Y is equals to 30 divided by x. So here if I substitute x as -3, here my result will be -10. For -2 the result will be -15. For -1 the result is -30. For 1 the result is 30 divided by 1 is 30. Then for 2 it is 15. For 3 it is 10. So this is your result. Now write down the order of rotational symmetry of the graph. Okay, on the grid draw this graph. Now second question is on the grid I have to draw. So here between -4 to -1, so -4 to -1, for -4 the value is -7.5. So minus 7.5 here, this 10 division represents 10. So 7.5 will be represented by something 7.5. I will figure out 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7.5. So I will take 1 point over here. This is 1 point. Then minus 10. So for minus 3 it is minus 10, minus 3 it is minus 10. So this is your second point. Then for minus 2 it is minus 15. For minus 2 it is 15. So it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So again you will get a point over here. For minus 1 it is minus 30. So for minus 1 it is minus 30. I will get a point over here. Okay, now what I will do, I will join them with a smooth curve. So here let us draw a smooth curve which is like this. Now the same thing will go in the first quadrant. For 1 your value is 30. So for 1 your value is 30. So you have a point over here. Then for 2 the value is 15. So for 2 the value will be somewhere here. For 3 the value is 7.5. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7.5 somewhere here. And for 4 for 3 the value is 10. For 3 the value is 10. So 10 is here. And for 4 the value is 7.5. So 7.5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7.5 is here. Okay, this is the point. So here again I will draw a smooth curve passing through all these points. So this is your curve. Okay, now the next question is write down the order of symmetry of the graph. So here order of rotational symmetry. So if you rotate it about the origin, okay, after 180 degree you will get the same shape, and then again after 180 you will get the same shape. So I will say that my degree of rotational symmetry is 2. On the grid, draw the line y is equals to 25. So y is equals to 25, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Here I will draw a straight line like this. Okay, so this is y is equals to 25. Okay, you can extend on this side and on that side. This is your y is equals to 25. Now on the grid, draw the line y is equals to 25 and use your graph to solve. 30 divided by x equal to 25. Now 30 divided by x is already plotted and y equal to 25 is also plotted. So where they intersect, that will be your solution. So I will say that my solution is this particular point. Now if I see its x coordinate, its x value is 1.123. 1.3 is your answer. So 1.3 is your answer. Now question number 15, the diagram shows two straight lines intersecting two parallel lines. Find the value of x. Okay, so the value of x, now see here this angle is 55, so this angle will also be 55, corresponding angle. And now the sum of these three angles is going to be 180. So your x is equals to 180 degree minus 71 degree minus 55 degree. So your 180 minus 71 minus 55 is your 54. So your x value is 54. Now question number 16. Daryl record the numbers of hours in a week 8 people spend exercising. Find out the median. Okay, so for finding median, you have to write all the numbers in ascending order first. So you will begin with 2. So 2, okay, 1.5. Okay, I have to begin with 1.5. 1.5, 2, and then 2 again, and then you have 3, So you write 3, and then 4.5. So you write 4.5, and then 5, and then 18. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers are there. So your median will be your average of fourth and fifth number. So first, second, third, fourth. The average of this fourth, one thing, 3, 3, 6, 1, 7. One number I am missing. This 4 I have not written. So 4 will be here. So I have to take the average of this 3 and 4. So your median is 3 plus 4 whole divided by 2. So this is 7 divided by 2, 3.5. So 3.5 is your answer. Explain why the mean may not be a suitable average to use. Now if you see all the numbers, your 18 is far away from other numbers. Okay, so 18 is the reason we should not use mean is better solution when all the numbers are more or less equally spread. Okay, so here explain why the mean may not be a suitable average. Okay, so because I will say that because 18 is an extraneous value. Extraneous means it is like, we can say that is outlier, you can say. Okay, outlier is also a good word. Okay, 18 is an outlier, therefore I will not use 18 mean as a suitable average. Okay, your mean, median and mode, all these three are nothing but averages only. Find the fraction that lies exactly halfway between 2 by 5 and 4 by 7. So the fraction which lies halfway is your half of the sum of these two, that is 2 divided by 5 and 2 divided by 5 and your 4 divided by 7. So 2 divided by 5 plus 4 divided by 7, you will get result as 1 by 2 times. Now 7 times 2 is 14 and 4 times 5 is 20. So 14 plus 20 divided by 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, so this will give you 1 by 2 times. Now 40 plus 14 plus 20 is 34. So it is 34 divided by 35. So I will cancel and it will be 17 divided by 35. Okay, so 17 divided by 35 is your result. Now B part, work out 3 2 by 3 minus 1 2 by 5 and give answer as a mixed number in the simplest form. So 3 2 by 3 minus 1 2 by 5. Okay, so this will be 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 11. This is 11 divided by 3 minus 1 times 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 7, it is 7 divided by 5. So this is equals to, now 11 times 5 is 55 minus 7 times 3 is 21. So 55 minus 21 divided by 3 times 5 is 15. So this is equals to 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is 34 divided by 15. 34 divided by 15 is your result. I will write here 34 divided by 15. Now the diagram shows two sides of a regular polygon. The interior angle of the polygon is 7x plus 44 and the exterior angle is x plus 8. Find the number of sides of the polygon. So let us first find out what is x here. Your 7x plus 44 and your x plus 8, they will add to 180. Sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. 7x plus x is your 8x. Your 44 plus 8 is 52. So 8x plus 52 is 180. That gives you 8x is equals to 180 minus 52. So 10 minus 2, 8. 7 minus 5 is 2. It is 128. So your x is 128 divided by 8. um 7x plus x, 8x, 44 plus 8 is 52. That is okay. Find the number of sides. So it is 128 divided by 8. Now with 4 you can cancel. With 8 also you can cancel. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4 12 and 4 8 48. 8 6 are 48. So your x you get as 16. Now your each exterior angle is your 360 divided by your number of side, or you can say that your number of side is 360 divided by your x. This is your number of side. So 360 divided by 16. Let us divide this with say with 4. So 4 times 9 is 36. It is 90 divided by 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, I might be making some mistake. Let me see where I'm. The mistake is I have to divide by the exterior angle, not with 16. So exterior angle is your 16 plus, this is your 16 plus 8. So 16 plus 8 is 24. So 360 divided by 24. Okay, so with 4 I'm dividing 4 9s are 36 and 4 6 are 24. Then I can divide by 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 3 30, 6 5 are 30. So your number of side is 15. Your number of side is 15. Okay, now this is a scatter diagram. As part of a sports competition, 14 athletes run 100-meter and complete a swimming race. The scatter diagram shows the time in seconds to run 100-meter and the time in seconds to complete the swimming race for 11 of these athletes. Okay, so there are total 11 athletes. Now the table shows the time for other 3 athletes. Time to complete the swimming race. So time to complete swimming and time to complete run. So if time to complete run is 10.2, time to complete swimming is 23.5. So here 23.5. So 23.5 is midway. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 1 point. I will show by cross. Okay, so for time to run 10.2, time to complete the swimming is 23.5. Then for time to run 10.86, here it is 25.4. So 10.86. Now 10.8 and 11. So each small division, okay, it will represent 0.02. I want 10.86, so it is 246. Okay, here, okay, this is the point, and here I have to figure out 25.4. So 25.4, I will go on this line. Now this is 25.1234. So this is the point. Okay, and for 11.4 it is 24.9. So 24.9. So 1 below 25, that is 24.9. I will mark this point. 11.04, I'm sorry, 11.04. So it is 11.0. Then it is 0.2 and 4, and on this line 11.04 only I will mark. 11.04 I will mark. Already there is one athlete, and on top of it only somewhere here I will mark the other point. Okay, so this is incorrect. Okay, done. Now on the scatter diagram, plot these 3 points. Done. State the type of correlation in the scatter diagram. Okay, so type of correlation, as you can see that as your time to run 100-meter is more, your time to complete the swimming race is also more. Okay, so the kind of correlation is positive correlation. I will write positive correlation. On the scatter diagram, draw the line of best fit. Now the line of best fit is a line which, okay, which is near to majority of the points. So I will draw a line which will, okay, which may pass from some of the points, but it will be very close to majority of the points. So like this you can draw the line. On the scatter diagram we have drawn the line. Now another athlete complete the swimming race in 23.8 seconds. Use your line of best fit to estimate the athlete's time to run 100 meter. Now your time to swim is 23.8. So here 23.8. So 23.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here I will draw one line like this, and then from here I will draw one line like this. Then it is 2.2, 2.22, 2.24, 2.26, 2.28, 2.3, 2.32, and 2.34 to 10.34. 10.34. I will consider that as 10.34. Now B part of the question, the table shows the diameter in centimeter and the masses in gram of 9 medals. Write down the mode of the diameter. So diameter, you see your 85 is repeating 2 times, your 70 is repeating 3 times, so your mode is 70. The number which repeats maximum number of time is your mode. Find the median of the masses. Now masses, I have to find out median. So for median, I need to rearrange them first in ascending or descending order. Let us arrange in ascending order. Your smallest value is 102. Okay, 102. I will keep sufficient gap. So if I miss some number, I can introduce them in between. Then after 102, it is 135. So 135. Then after 135, it is 152. 152. Then after 152, it is 180. Let us write 180. Then 181. 180, 181. Then 200. 200. And then 231. And then 412. 412, and then 500. Okay, find the median of these masses. Median, so the number which is at the middle position. So one from here, one from here, one from here, one from here, or else you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. Okay, total 9 middles are there. So median is your 9 plus 1, that is 10 divided by 2, fifth value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. Your fifth value is 181. Your median is 181. Question number 20. 8 power 3 times 8 power b is 8 power 12. Now we know that when they are in multiplication, your power is getting added. So 3 plus b, and here on right side it is 3 power 12. That means your 3 plus b is equals to 3 plus b is equals to 12. That will give you value of b as 9. So your b is 9. Now b part, simplify. So here you are dividing. So it is 8 divided by 2. Then your x power 5 divided by x power minus 7. So it is 5 minus when you are dividing, you have to subtract, and then y power 4 minus 3. Okay, so this will give you 4. X power, it is 7 and 5, we will add 7 plus 5, 12, and y power 4 minus 3 is 1. So 4 x power 12 y, there is no need to write power 1, it is understood. Rearrange the formula to make t as the subject. Okay, so here I will add 5 on both the sides, so I will get 70, and then I will divide both the sides by 7. So I will get t is equals to w plus 5 divided by 7. So your t is w plus 5 whole divided by 7. Question number 22. In the question, all measures are in centimeter. The diagram shows the quadrilateral. The perimeter of the quadrilateral is 26. write down the equation to solve it to find the value of x. Now perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So here let us add all and equate it with 26. So you have this 2x minus 1 plus 2x plus 1 plus x plus 6 plus 3x. You add all these and you will equate it with 26. So 2x plus 2x is 4x, 4x plus x 5x, 5x plus 3x is 8x. So your 8x, now this minus 1 plus 1 will cancel and I have plus 6. So 8x is equals to 26 minus 6, this is 20. So your x value is 20 divided by 8. 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 2, so it is 2.5. Okay, let us cross check once again. So 2x, 2x, 4x, 5x, 5 plus 3, 8x, and minus 1 plus 1 cancel, plus 6. And your perimeter is 26, so you equate it with 26. So your result for x is 2.5. Now here I need to specify unit, centimeter, because they have not mentioned 3x centimeter or something, but your perimeter is in centimeter. So your x is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, question number 23. Triangle ABC is mathematically similar to triangle FGH. Work out the value of x. Now for similar triangle, we know that the ratio of corresponding sides, that is x and its corresponding side is 8, will be equal to 3 divided by 12. So this gives you your x is equals to 3 divided by 12 times 8. Now 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 2 is 8, your x is 2. Two bags A and B each contain blue beads and white beads. Only the probability of taking the blue bead at random from the bag is 0.8. The probability of taking blue bead at random from bag B is 0.3. Complete the tree diagram. So we know that the sum of these two is going to be 1. So if this is 0.8, this is 0.2, then here it is 0.3, it is going to be 0.7. For blue bead, we know that if I am taking it from bag 2, it is 0.3. So 0.3, 0.7. Next question, a student takes one bead at random from the bag A and one bead at random from bag B. Find the probability that both beads are white. So what is the possibility that you are taking white bead from bag 1? It is 0.2. Into you are taking a white bead from bag 2 is 0.7. So 0.2 into 0.7 is 0.14. Okay, now question number 25. Describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. So single transformation that maps your shape A to shape B. Now it's clear that it is a rotation of 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction, and your center of rotation is definitely 0, 0. Okay, you can see this and this. Okay, there is a 90 degree. Okay, better you will understand if you use the butter paper. Okay, using butter paper, the problems related with rotations are very simple. So here, by looking at this diagram, I understand that this is an anti-clockwise rotation. So here I will say single transformation, it is rotation anti-clockwise by 90 degree, and your center of rotation is 0, 0. Okay, so for 3 marks, all these 3 information should be there. On the grid, draw the image of shape A after translation by -5 -6. So you have to go -5 horizontally. So 1 2 3 4 5, and you have to go 6 vertically. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I will draw a shape like this, and then 2 unit up, and then 1 unit like this, and like this. So this is your translation by -5 -6. Now shape A after enlargement by a scale factor 3, center 1 4. So your center is 1 4. 1 4 is this point. About this you have to enlarge, and your enlargement scale factor is 3. So the shape should be 3 times of this. So for this point I will join this, extend on this side. Then for say this point I will draw a line and extend like this. So it will go something like this. Okay, now this shape, okay, this 1 2 3, this 3 line becomes 9. So here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so what I understand that, okay, your diagram will be somewhere here. It will go like this, and then this 1 will become 3. No, we are making some kind of error. I think scale factor is 3. It will be till here, na? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. It will be till here, and then actually if I join this point, if I extend this, so this is going like this and this. Wait, once again I have to draw. Now what is given? Shape A after enlargement by scale factor 3, and center is 1 4. Okay, your center is 1 comma 4. I am taking 0 comma 4. It is 1 comma 4. So this is your center of enlargement. Okay, so from here if you extend like this, and if you extend say this point, if you are trying to figure out, then you will go like this, you will go like this. Then if you are trying to get this point, okay, join and extend it. So it is going something like this. Now your 3 will become 9. So 3 will become 9, and okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So definitely we will start here. We will extend like this. This is still 9, and then this 1 will become 3. So it is 1 2 and 3, and then upward I will go by 6 units. So 2 4 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So I should go till here, and then from here I should join like this. Yeah, something like this. That means this line which I am trying to draw is, when I draw with proper scale, it should go something like this. Okay, so when you are drawing it with the proper scale, you will get correct diagram. Okay, so this is your last question. So this is what your paper 1 for 80 marks. I hope you understand each and every problem. Okay, so let us stop here, and I will see you next time with your paper 32. Your paper 32 means your paper 3, where we use calculator.